Hey YouTube, it's your girl Shareen Nicole back with another video, and today is going to be AliExpress wig that I bought, showing you the package. I seen it just to look at it, but now I'm taking it out for you guys, because you have to say that you received your stuff, or else they can say like you never received it or something. So I'm just going to take that net off right there. Show you guys the texture. I really like the hair. It's very soft. Fresh out of the package is really soft. So I like that. There's also some combs on the inside. I think there's 3 in the front and there's 1 in the back. It seems to be big head friendly because yes, I have a big head. And I believe the wig that I got is 16 inches and 3 inches parting space. Looks a lot bigger than 3 inches parting space, but yeah. Anyways, I'll try to leave the links below. My hair is a hot mess, fresh out the shower. Just don't mind it. I couldn't find a wig cap. Come to figure out, they actually gave me a wig cap included, which I didn't know. It fell out the package after I was done. So I just plopped it on my head just to show you guys. The color does not match my skin. I did have to fiddle with it a lot. And as far as I know, I didn't see any baby hairs. I couldn't find any, so I'll just have to create my own. But I'm like super duper tired, so I just work my magic with a little bit of gel. But right here, I'm just showing you how soft it is, and I like it. I think it's good. I did smell it, because the hair smells different when it's wet as opposed to when it's dry. So when I'm spraying the hair and I actually smell it, it smells almost like when you flat iron hair. And that just a little bit of a burnt smell. It wasn't anything like chemicals or anything like that. It just smells like hair. Just smells like hair. Just a faint smell. But other than that, it's really nice. It's awesome. Yep, just playing around. Trying to see how much loose hair I can get. I got like 1 strand. I did get a little bit more shedding, but it was nothing drastic. Nothing drastic at all. I raked my fingers through that stuff. Just adding some more water just to see how it's looking. It's like saturated and soaked. I mean, it is so pretty. I'm absolutely in love with it. It's like a bob. Almost like an angled bob. It looks like it's longer in the front and shorter in the back. So I'm just going to turn around and show you guys the dry side so you can see how the curls look. They're actually really defined for being dry, but I don't like it that puffy. And then the wet side, you guys can see. Right now I'm just parting just to see if it goes over a little bit more, which it does, but I didn't have my comb with me. I'm sorry guys, I was just not ready. I was just not prepared. But you can see there's still scalp there, so you can part and put it on the side and stuff like that. Yep. So overall, I love it. I love it. And I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. It's nice and wet. I put conditioner in it. I wet it down with my spray bottle. And I just defined it a little. You can see my lace a little bit right there. But like I said, I was tired. I just flicked some baby hairs up in there. And that was it. Slapped some water on it. Put some conditioner in it. You can see the movement. It's shiny. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. Alright, take it easy, guys.